Agarwal welcome you all to our lecture series. Today we are going to discuss Class 8 Geography Chapter 1 Part 3 Human Resources. Human resource. People are human resources. The skill of humans help in transferring the physical material into a valuable resources. Or we can say people can make the use of nature to create more resources when they have the knowledge, skill and the technology to do so. Conservation of resources. First of all, let's understand the meaning of conservation. Using resources carefully and giving them time to get renewed is called resource conservation. It can be done through sustainable development, resource planning, creating awareness by using 4R or following the principle of sustainable development. Let's understand the meaning of sustainable development. Balancing the need to use resources and also conserve them for the future is called sustainable development. Resource planning is a term that defines the usage of resources efficiently and effectively without wasting them so that we can save resources for our next generation. Creating awareness. We have to create awareness about the conservation of resources among the people, or we can conserve our resources by using 4R formula. What is 4R formula? Reuse, reduce, recycle and refuse. Then we can conserve resources by following the principle of sustainable development. What are the principles of sustainable development? So they are respect and care for all forms of life. Next, improve the quality of human life. Conserve the earth's diversity. Minimize the depletion of natural resources. Change personal attitude and practices towards the environment. Enable communities to care for their own environment. These all are some of the examples of sustainable development. Now let's revise the chapter. This chapter we understood about the resources. What is resource? Resource. Everything available in our environment which can be used to satisfy our need is a resource. It may be natural or human made. How does something become a resource? Anything become resource only when they have a value or utility to satisfy our need. Meaning of utility and value. Utility refers to the usefulness of any good and value is the worth of that good. Impact of time and technology on resources. Time and technology are two important factors that change substances into resources. Humans apply their knowledge, their invention and discovery to invent new resources or modify today's resources to use them in the future time. Then types of resources, as we discussed, natural and man-made. Then the classification of resources, it may be classified on the basis of origin, on the basis of exhaustibility, on the basis of distribution, on the basis of status of development and use. Then human resources, people as a human resource. Then conservation of resources, principle of sustainable development. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do watch complete series for better understanding. Please feel free to ask for queries.